is new, Daddy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me clean this lens off a little bit. Look at these beautiful homes. There's old Chuck. Chuck! Today's Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday.
That's our Friday. Yep. Look here, I want to take you guys through this shop. Everybody's getting ready to go home. It's a beautiful Thursday. Joplin just put this beautiful shower in, right? There's the interior wall, another interior wall for the refrigerator above the shelf. Is this not cool? Getting it. Look at the production on here. These are huge homes.
Bending up a little bit.
Look at Thor! Yeah!
Yes, sir.
Doing that bay window.
I'm making them look all nice and clean.
Oh my God, pretty like you.
Oh man, look at you say so.
Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's got wood window. That's beautiful,
Yes,
man.
sir. It's a nice little. I don't know. It's like a special little book they did. I like
Okay.
how they added a little window up there on top of the wall.
See here.
Huge.
Oh yeah, got an egress up there.
Yes, sir.
You know, that's what's cool. You can get a basic house with the basic stuff, but then you can add these amenities. Now this is where the refrigerator goes. I wish I could back this off just a little bit. It's up here. And refrigerator, microwave, and then you put an egress. So you can do the add-ons. Let me get out of here. I'm gonna do a quick rundown. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Look at these homes. There's 2 a day, everybody. Think about it. 2 of these big houses a day, right here. We just had our national inspector for ANSI. He came through here and had looked at every one of these homes, looks at all of our paperwork, goes through all of our electrical and our structural. Look at this. You know what I love about these? These are pre-structural panels. They're already structured. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, here I am. I'm Randy Jones, showing you these beautiful panels. Back down through here, just a quick peek of industrial working. Look at that, man. Brian's cutting these panels like crazy. Brian,
Hey, Randy.
I still got to pay you for working all night over there hooking that water up last
Don't worry
Saturday.
about it.
Was that not awful?
Don't worry about it.
2 o'clock in the morning. God, that was something.
It was not normal.
It was.
We went over there just to set a house like normal. We've done it, I don't know, 100 times. And for whatever reason, her plumbing busted underground
Yeah.
level. So down
The
on her
fitting
the
busted.
fitting did, her PVC.
The threaded part.
Right in the knuckle. And the pressure was very high. It's higher than normal. I guess normal is around 60. It was coming out definitely over 100.
But then you said like your glue or
Yeah.
the cleaner
Yep.
must have been bad that you just got.
Because
Who
we
would
went
ever
back and
thought?
did it twice, and after 20 minutes popped off. Too much pressure. So went back, got some new primer, new glue, dug down a little deeper, reconnected, and everybody's happy now.
Thanks.
Everybody's happy.
All right, so this is an RJO right here. Let me get back here a little bit. RJO is a regular house with a triangle road. And wow, man, this has got it going on, doesn't it, buddy? Yeah. So we got, this is some notes. We got 4 jacks, ANSI sticker, passive heater, spare tire, wood stove. What's that? Oh, that's a customer's name. 24 new means new panels. You see this? Oh, there's no fasteners whatsoever. Now we do put a skirt board along the bottom, right here. Guys, these are the actual fasteners. See that? Look how pretty that is. That is smooth, man. Look up here. Let me try to focus in. Let me whip in here. Okay, so that little 90-degree up to the top. That's how the panels are actually fastened to the roof system. Now over here you got your gutter, and you see that piece of trim right underneath there is what holds the roof to the wall all the way across, and that's done inside and outside. Here's the window trim. I know you see. Sorry about shaking the phone here. Then caulk. So Bart is re-caulking this. So they'll caulk it down the line, and then Bart comes back and inspects them. Bart's been doing all the inspections here. Beautiful. Now these windows, guys, there's more than just caulk on there, isn't there, Bart?
Oh yeah, there's layers.
Layers of it.
Got caulk, window tape, trim, caulk again.
Wow. Let me get over here. Get over here. So what Bart was saying is there's layers. You put the window in, there's window tape, then there's caulk, then there's window tape, then you have the metal trim, and there's caulk on the outside of the metal trim. Here. Let's see what Bart does. This one's got an actual bay window, which wasn't on the list, but it's on the build list. A lot of times those pieces of tape out there for Bart to remember what he has to have on here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So look at the side. These are 8x24, almost a 2-story. And that's with the loft. See the 2 different colored panels? These are made out of door panels, all right? So those are remnant door panels. We're gonna combine gray, white, silver, whatever we can. That's how they come. This is the new panel. Let me get you guys a little bit of a look on here. Look how shiny, nice, no fasteners whatsoever putting these together, right? Now there are fasteners along the bottom and corners right here. This is the bay window, and those fasteners are actually what holds the corners and the sides together. Now these are 2 7/8, 2 5/8 thick, and then our other new panels are 3 inches thick. Look at that, beautiful. Look at the side. Look, I tell you what, the people who got these homes got a steal. This one right here has got solar on both sides. It's got a bay window, right? See the bay window there? Let me go up in here and show you. This has got a gas stove, cooktop. Just this thing up. Look at that. Mini split, ceiling fan. Is this not gorgeous? All right, now these are door panels. Actually built the whole house out of these door panels. Let's come in here. This has got a barn door, which is extra. 3 lithium batteries. I was just talking to Lucas. It's got water catchment. Also, this is the solar. We've got the solar down. You guys want solar? We got it. We know how to make it work. We have done hundreds of these things. Talking to Lucas today, we have minimum callbacks on anything to do with our solar off-grid capabilities. Here's the water catchment. Now, what we did is we put this water box on here because this is the tank on the inside. On the inside, so if you guys want to see, this is called the first flush. So the water comes off the gutter system into here. This is the first flush. So as your water comes out of there, the first water coming off that roof. So if you got any debris on your roof, it'll come into that gutter, down that pipe, and all the debris fills up here. Then as that fills up with water, there's a ball inside that pipe. The ball will go to the top and stop any water from coming in here. Then the clean water comes down here and into the tank. Is that not cool? Now we got fresh water right there, that white line. That's what takes the water from the tank into the house. So what I've learned about water catchment is I would never drill another well, especially in the eastern part of the United States. Here in Tennessee, we get 50 to 60 inches of rain a year. Plenty enough if you have a reservoir large enough. This is 100 gallons, which is 800 pounds. So, you know, these homes are probably not going to be pulled like a camper, so that's more of a permanent setting. Now, one thing that we just learned and we're going to do is we put this on here to see what kind of room we can get, but this is not enough clearance for that mini split to have enough air. So what we're going to do is we're going to move all of our mini splits from the tongue and put it underneath our bay window. We have plenty of room. We're going to build a bay window that will, or a support that'll come off of that bay window and on. And the reason we're going to do that is because it is strong enough. And one of these homes, we had it in Winslow, Arizona. It was a Incredibox, which is a shed roof, as you can see right there. That is an Incredibox. I love that house. And it flipped on its side on the interstate. Nothing crashed. The walls, everything stayed intact. They pulled the house up on a wrecker using the bay window. Yeah, the whole bay window used it. It was like a hook, and they pulled it on there. So what we're gonna do is take this mini split and put it on the back. Oh, let me point this out. Down here, these are Tom, everybody's leaving. Can't believe this.
Watch that guy right there.
Everybody's leaving, man. How come you look like that guy?
Oh, no.
Looks like his mom.
And all right, so these are the old panels. See how they're a little bit gnarly on the bottom? Now we're gonna put a skirt board that will cover that little bit of a ripple, but you can see all the screws right here. They come from the factory. And I wanna make sure we'll clean a little bit of foam, but this is what they look like. This is typical build of our remnant door panels. And then you go over here, and this is the difference in the new panels. Beautiful. See you, Chuck. See you, man. Have a great weekend on the lake, you know, sunbathing, fishing, not doing nothing. I'll just stay here answering all the phones. We're taking care of everything.
I ain't been on the lake in a month.